Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Forex with Cody. And in this video, we are going to be taking a look at yesterday's trades called out in the private Telegram. I'm also going to be looking at the indicator, right? The Forex with Cody signals indicator. This indicator has been coded off of my strategy to look for entries and setups that I look for and take every single day and call out in the private Telegram. All right. So first of all, we're going to take a look at yesterday's trade. Now, if you take a look here in the private Telegram, let me just make this a bit bigger. You can see that here I posted this one. I said GJ trade idea. Actually, first of all, let's take a look at the first one. Now, the first one we had was this one right here, GJ trade idea. This was based off 12-hour time frame and daily time frame, and price pushed up. I think like 40 pips into profit, and then we moved stops to break even. As you can see, our break even level got hit, and we moved stops to break even, and break even got hit. So I said break even hit, another potential buy coming on GJ soon, and then shortly after that, new GJ trade idea. So we had a break even trade yesterday based off the indicator on the 12-hour and the daily time frame, and then we had another one based on the 4-hour time frame. Right here you can see the signal that was given from the indicator right there, the triangle. If I just open that up, you can see, if you have a look top left, Forex with Cody signals, you can see the buy signal right there. And yeah, basically that was a 90 pip take profit, and you can see price came up to our break even level there, moving stops to break even, and then 81 pips profit, start closing some positions, and then full take profit got hit for 90 pips, and there's my profit right there. So that was the first trade, break even, and then the second trade, take profit, $1,461.67. So yeah, that was yesterday's trades. Like I said, called out in the Telegram channel. And basically, yeah, it was based on the indicator. As you can see right here, we have a buy signal. This was the signal that we took yesterday. And the things you want to look for when you're taking these signals is market structure, right? So if we got a signal on the entry candle right here, we want to take a look at the previous candles, and we want to see if we can see some bullish market structure. Because it is a buy signal, we want to see if there's bullish market structure. And as you can see, we have a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, and then we set our buy stops 10 pips above that previous candle, right? So we have our entry candle, we set our buy stops 10 pips above the high of this candle, like this. And as you can see, this was yesterday's entry. Stop loss below that previous candle low, right? 90 pips, 90 pips. And that was the trade yesterday, the 90 pip trade. And it's obviously still going as well. You could have gone for a 1 to 2 if you wanted to. That would be close to hitting a 1 to 2 take profit at this point. So that was that signal. And then the day before that, we had another one here on GJ that was also called out in the Telegram. So it'd be the 3rd of Jan day. You can see the profits from that one, $1,770.73. And there you can see right there, you can see the entry signal, boom, price smashing that 1 to 2 risk reward ratio right there. So you can see I posted it right here, GJ trade idea, boom. So that was called out in the private Telegram as well. And as you can see, again, we got a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, and then we have our entry signal, right, with our entry candle, and we put our buy stops 10 pips above that previous candle high, and our stop loss below that previous candle low. So I just rounded, so 35 pips, I just rounded up to 40 pips, and you can set a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 1, completely up to you. But that one hit the 1 to 2 take profit level and continued, right? So price continued, like it would still be going right now. So from that signal, it's like 430 pips in profit. So that was another one. Here, price drove down 55 pips. Here, price drove up 42 pips. This is an invalid signal, right? So we have invalid signals because why? We have a sell signal, but if we take a look, we have highs, lows, lower highs, and then we have a higher low, right? So this second candle right here doesn't break the low of that previous candle. So therefore, there is no bearish market structure. It creates a higher low. So therefore, this sell signal would be invalid. Same thing here. This buy signal would be invalid because we have a buy signal. So we need bullish market structure. We have a low, a high, a higher low, but then we have a lower high, right? This candle doesn't break the high of that previous candle right there. So there's no bullish market structure. So that would be an invalid signal, right? This would be a valid signal. So we have a sell signal and we need bearish market structure. So we have a high, a low, lower high, lower low. And then does the entry candle break the previous candle low by 10 pips? Yes, it does, right? So your entry would be right here. And then that drops for 218 pips from that entry signal, right? So there is criteria, there is a checklist that you have to follow, and that comes with the indicator. You'll get an ebook checklist, and you will get a video checklist as well, showing you how to use it to get the best results. So that is the indicator. That's a quick overview of it. That was the 4-hour time frame. Like I said, I trade the 4-hour, the 8-hour, the 12-hour, and the daily. Those are the time frames that I like to use for the signals. Nothing below that, right? So don't be going down to the 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute time frame trying to get signals. Some of them obviously will work, a lot of them won't. It's more reliable on the higher time frames. But as you can see, just because it's the higher time frame doesn't mean it takes weeks or days for these trades to play out. Most of the time you see instant profit within the first couple of hours. So it's like a day trading kind of indicator, but you can get quick scalps as well. Like I said, if you wanted to just get a quick 20-30 pips right here, right, you could do that. If you wanted to get a quick 20-30 pips right here, you can do that. You wanted to get a quick 20-30 pips right here, you can do that, right? You're going to get a quick 20-30 pips off of these signals if it's the right criteria, if there's bullish and bearish market structure and you follow the checklist. All right, so that is an overview of the indicator. If you have any questions, ask them down below. I'll answer them, or if you follow me on Instagram, send me a message on Instagram and I will answer those for you. The link to access this indicator will be down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it insightful. I hope you found it educational. I hope you found something that you're looking for and helps you make your mind up if you want to go ahead and check this indicator out. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.